So this is the Pioneer kit, as you can see, and this is the display device I am going to use for the presentation. It is a smart TV where a browser is loaded and it is connected to the internet, and I have gone to the website right there, which is our web console for the project. So I'm going to plug in the device. So as you can see, it's plugged in, and we are going to check if it's working or not. So you can see that it's properly working like this. So right now I am going to activate the pen tool with the left click on the Pioneer kit. As you can see, we can draw, and then I am going to left click again, which will release the pen tool. So like this we can draw. So right now we are at the dashboard of this project. So here we can see that we have landed on our home page, which says computer aided learning and what's it all about. Then we are going to be here, get started. So right now we get started with the program. So then we have this dialog opened up in front of the page. So basically it's saying that what to do and how the program works. So right now we have this dialog which says you have to draw the exact shape on the canvas of your right, and what we have to draw will be shown on your left. So before we proceed, there are some drawing instructions in front of us which says a single click on the left button of the Pioneer kit will activate the pen tool, and then we start drawing with our trackpad. Again, a single click will release the pen tool. So then we close this dialog, and right now I am going to show how to draw something. Like suppose I am going to click left button and start drawing like this, and then I click the left button again, which releases the pen tool. So it works like this. So as it is not the shape we are trying to draw, so we are going to erase it. So we erase like this. We click the erase button and the dialog appears, which is a confirmation to erase it or not. So we are going to erase it. We click erase, so it clears the canvas, and then we can start drawing and see our progress on this progress bar, which is on the rightmost corner of the panel. And what we have to draw is this triangle which is on our left. So we start drawing like this. We click once the left button, we start drawing, and then we stop like this, and we click the left button again, and after we are done, we click the test button. So it says congratulations, and you have made the triangle progress 20%. And after a delay of 5 seconds, we have another shape, which is circle. So we'll start making the circle like this. We start drawing and we stop here. Then we are going to test if it's a circle or not. We test and we get congratulations, we have our circle. Then comes the quadrilateral shape. So this quadrilateral shape, we'll try to draw it. So we draw like this, and suppose we make something like this, which is wrong, and we test. So it says, oops, you draw the incorrect shape. So we erase it. Then we erase and we start again. This time we will try our best. So we draw like this, and right now we test and we got the congratulations, and our progress is 60%. So right now we have this pentagon shape. We will try to draw it. So we start like this and this and that and like this. So we test. So it passed the test and we get the congratulations. Right now our progress is 80%, and this is our last shape, which is hexagon. So we will try to draw this hexagon shape. So we start like this and we do this and like this and we stop here. So right now we test and congratulations, progress is 100%. So this is the last pop-up dialog which says congratulations, and hope you enjoyed this program, and we close this. So after we got our confirmation that we have completed all the shapes, the progress is going to be reset again and the canvas gets cleared, and again we are back on the triangle shape. So that's how it works. Hope you enjoyed the demo.